This integrated washer-dryer from KG is ideal for households that want a model with clever features to speed up laundry days. It has an A energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, a medium-sized 8kg drum for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. KG's KG Detector uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. Now you can look after your clothes and save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. This model has the Daily Quick program, which is a rapid cycle that washes a full load in under half an hour. With a simple twist of the dial, you can wash an entire drum of items that aren't too heavily stained. So, no matter how big your wash load is, you can always have it clean in super quick time. If you're looking for a washer-dryer with clever features to speed up laundry days, this integrated model from KG is the one for you.